guys, welcome back to my channel. We are unboxing some NUM NOMS Series 4. Let's start opening. What is this? Wait, I think I have these. This was, I have it. No, I have both of these. I got 4 of these. How is this so bad? How is this impossible? And I forgot her name, but I know she's a special edition, she is. And I think this is also a special edition, guys. I got bubble polish it and cotton cake. She's a special edition and bubble polish is a special edition. Bye! Please subscribe to my channel.